This week, exciting new details emerged about Samsung's highly anticipated addition to its flagship lineup. Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim is poised to offer a significant challenge to its competitors, particularly Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air. One of the standout aspects is its slim and elegant design. Ice Universe suggests the thickness may range in the 6mm range, making it one of the slimmest devices Samsung has ever produced. This represents a significant reduction compared to current models like the Galaxy S24, which stands at 7.6mm. The device is rumored to pack some serious power with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. According to the latest, exclusive information shared by tipster Abhishek Yadav, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup, including the base model, Plus, and Ultra variants, will all feature impressive storage options paired with 12GB of RAM across the board. Users will be able to choose between three storage configurations: 256GB, 512GB, and a massive 1TB. For the Slim model, the chipset is up to 12GB of RAM. Such hardware enhancements are complemented by a robust battery capacity estimated between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh. What truly sets this model apart is its groundbreaking camera setup. According to Gadget's data, it's rumored to feature a 3-camera array, including a 200-megapixel main sensor, based on Samsung's ISOCELL HP5 technology. The remaining two lenses, a 50-megapixel ultrawide and a 50-megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, use the ISOCELL JN5 sensor. In addition to the slim model, S25 Ultra is also shaping up to be a powerhouse, with a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 2,200 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. At its core, it will run on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and a massive 1TB of internal storage. According to Ice Universe, colors for the model will include titanium black, silver blue, grey, and white silver, with exclusive online options such as titanium jet black, jade green, and pink gold. It is speculated that titanium, silver, and blue will be Samsung's signature colors for promotional events and marketing. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which was initially speculated to be a slim variant before its official reveal, the S25 Slim will be available globally. This is confirmed by the discovery of a Samsung device with the model number SM-S937B, where the B signifies the global version. Samsung's official Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on January the 22nd, 2025, with the announcement of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, alongside a teaser for the Project Muhan XR headset. However, while these new devices are set to be released in January 2025, the S25 Slim variant is not expected to launch at the same time. Instead, reports suggest that the S25 Slim will hit the market in Q2 of 2025, following a timeline similar to Samsung's previous A and FE series releases. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.